The DXZ 2025 A4 DTF printer redefines efficiency and quality in direct-to-film printing with its impressive doubled printing speed. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this DTF printer in the description below at the latest price. Featuring the advanced XP606 color printhead, this printer offers vibrant, high-resolution prints at 2800 by 1400 dpi, ensuring crisp details and outstanding color saturation on a wide variety of fabrics including t-shirts, bags, hats, and leather. One standout feature is the built-in white ink stirring system, which guarantees smooth ink flow and prevents clogging, maintaining consistent print quality even on dark fabrics. The semi-automatic cleaning system complements this by reducing maintenance time and keeping your workflow uninterrupted. This model is designed with productivity in mind, equipped with an upgraded roller feeder that minimizes film feeding issues and drastically reduces the chances of jamming, a common concern in many printers. It supports both roll and sheet printing up to 8.27 inches wide, catering to different printing demands, whether you need on-demand prints or larger batches. The DXZ 2025 comes bundled with a generous 2-year supply of ink, including 5 250 ml bottles and 500 g of powder, delivered every 2 months for your convenience, so you can focus on printing without worrying about running out of supplies. In addition to its hardware excellence, the DXZ 2025 offers seamless software upgrades that enhance security and ease of use, protecting your system from viruses and ensuring compatibility with Windows computers. Backed by a 1-year warranty on non-consumable parts and a 6-month warranty on the printhead, this printer also provides professional after-sales support, with engineers ready to assist within 24 hours if you encounter any issues during installation or printing. Overall, the DXZ 2025 A4 DTF printer combines speed, quality, and reliability, making it a smart investment for anyone looking to elevate their printing business or creative projects to the next level.